Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about Shiba Inu. Guys, in this video I'm talking about the latest and urgent update of the Shiba Inu. And this video is very special for all Shiba coin holders, so keep watching this video complete. And guys, make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. So Shiba Inu holders, my friends, today live price of the Shiba in the market is 0.00007 USD dollar. That is the currently live in latest price of the Shiba Inu. And on the other hand, if you look the changes look on the Shiba Inu, so now the last 1 hour changes is negative, the last 1 day change is positive, last 1 week changes look on the Shiba Inu is positive, my friends. So every change is now going positive in the market. Going positive, you can see here, my friends, that's mean that just look here the last 7 days, and today is 7th August. So that's mean that from the 1st August the Shiba Inu taken a pump and still they are in the pumping mode. You can see, my friends, the last 7 days and the last 1 day changes is positive. So this means that Shiba Inu in the start of August, Shiba Inu started jumping. In as I told you in my previous videos that Shiba Inu will take a huge pump in the August. So that is the huge pump of the Shiba Inu. My friends, celebrate this pump, just enjoy, and as I told you, my friend, that please, it's a still opportunity with all of you to please buy more and more Shiba Inu token. Personally, I'm holding 2.5 billion Shiba Inu token, so buy now and make profit with the Shiba Inu. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates video.